going, everybody? Dadbob's in here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our toy drive event. We are going to be going up to Christiana Mall, which is in Delaware, which is about an hour from here, 45 minutes to an hour. And we're going to this awesome toy drive event. I have like a Santa Claus there. It's awesome. And then after the event, everyone donates their toys or whatever. After the event, they're going to take the toys and go right to Nemours, which is Christiana Hospital. And they're going to go donate the toys to all the kids in the hospital and everything like that. I know some people ask, like, well, why are you all of a sudden going to all these events? I try not to ever miss a Toys for Tots or any kind of event like that. I 100% love giving back to the community, so I go to these events. So we'll first go ahead and we'll fire up the Supra real quick. And then we'll fire up the Mustang because the Mustang's louder. It makes me feel inferior. But let's go ahead and get the Supra a nice little cold start going. Put her in sport. And here we go. And she got us all toned down. Aww. Alright, yeah, yada yada yada. Now it's time for the wife's car. See if I can get it to work. Yep. Stock and it's already louder than the Supra. Oh well, that's what it is. Let's put it up. Alright everybody, we're here. It finally stopped snowing. It's just an awesome event. We got a lot of cars out here, a lot more coming. We got some NSXs. There's an SVJ coming up here. So this is the toy drive. So they're all going to take all these gifts to Christiana Hospital. We're not going. We got to get back to work. But yeah, that's why all these cars have like toy drive banners across the front. But man, is it cold. Look, we got this little pink chrome Maserati coming up. Woo. Woo. Hello. Here's my hug. Want to get a hug? Sorry, I'm like shaking. It's so cold. Oh, we got the purple Huracan. The Performante. Woohoo! Then we got the SVJ. Man, oh man. That'd be fun. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful SVJ. Classic in the red. Black wheels. It's just an absolute monster. Crazy how this car is now like $1 million. I think it's like 800, 900,000 now that they're selling for. Some are selling for $1 million. I don't know what year this is, but I mean, look at this satin carbon. This car just looks so good. Got the classic Ford GT, my favorite model year, I should say. I just love this look. I like it a whole lot more than the new GTs. And we got Kevin's new Lambo. He did have the green one. Now he's got the blue drop top. Looks so good. Got a nice black Gallardo here. Just got a lineup here for sure. So you guys saw the SVJ over there. Now we are going to be looking over here because a Diablo just pulled up. I've seen this person one time out, and I saw him like in passing. I never actually walked up and saw the car. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. So sorry, look at this thing. It's just classic Lamborghini. Cue the montage now. Another Girls and Gears member. Looks awesome. Flight risk. That's awesome. Now right here, most of you people, unless you're a BMW fan, you're like, oh, why are you showing me a wagon? This thing, in my opinion, is like the ultimate sleeper. This car, a ton of power. So I was rolling with them in the Supra the one day. Left me, like just completely left me in the dust. It was nuts. And it's also, I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, what more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? Right here we got a C8 with the Stingray R package. So basically Stingray R package is a sticker package. Looks good though. I mean, it looks really good. Looks like it's all stock. C51, E51 Blackwing. I guess he might have had these mirrors wrapped, or he might have bought the wing separate, but it really does look cool. Got the 720S pulling up, 720S Spider. Parking the 720S next to the monster truck. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I mean, look at that. I mean, the car is not even up to the fenders on the truck. Crazy. Woo! Look at the Rapid Blue C8 HTC. I'm about it. All right, everybody, check out this lineup real quick so I don't get hit in the middle of the road. But, I mean, just look at this. All these cars, they're in the fill up the middle now. It's just awesome. I just love seeing people get together for such a good cause. It just really, even though it's freezing out here, it really it makes everything worth it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we got the whole police escort coming out, blocking off the highway. And they're all going to roll out here, so I'm going to get some footage, and then I'm going to go home and get these cars done because my hands are frozen. got one R8 lose control. This one right here. Is this on video? Did you get it on video? ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that car meet is over. We were gonna leave, we were gonna go home, but we decided we're at the mall. We might as well get some Chipotle.
Chipotle is my life.
AKA Chipotle. So we got both cars out here. Oh, somebody checking out my car. But yeah, time to get some Chipotle, maybe some new sneaks. Your boy hit big last night on a couple of the games, so might get some new sneakers because these ones are beat.
Here, open my hand. Ready? A one. Is it under there?
I need that. Ready? Mommy showed me. See it? See the ball? Ready?
Where'd it go?
You ready? You're gonna be magic. Are you ready?
Ready? Oh no, you're so dumb.
So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It was a great cause, and I just wanted to show everybody kind of what we do on that side of the stuff, and show like how important it is to really give back, and the great ways you can give back and still have fun and still hang out with all your car friends. And it's pretty cool because not only are you giving back with, you know, the presents and stuff like that and the money, but you're also giving back because the children, they love seeing these cars, and it's just awesome. It's a great feeling. It makes you feel like $1 million on the inside, seeing a little kid smile. So just keep that in mind. Maybe next year or whatever you guys do, if you see an event, I highly recommend going out and trying it. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell everyone know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family, and I'll see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.